chicken fry noodles is for today's lunchbox. Wheat noodles. Onion and carrot. Slice onion. Slice carrot as per your preference shape. For today's recipe I use boneless chicken. So, it will be easy and enjoyable lunch for kids. Heat the pan and put 3 tablespoons olive oil. At first fry onion. Just after 2 minutes add chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Mix well and fry till chicken is cooked. Once the water is dry from the chicken, then add sliced carrot. Finally add boiled noodles. I added 1 tablespoon of soy sauce as I need more taste. Mix all and fry it for 3 minutes more. Garnish with spring onion as my kids are requesting. Sprinkle with black pepper. Now, let's prepare for lunchbox. Put first noodles as still hot and need to cool down. Mixed nuts are important as well for the memory and health. My son's favorite biscuit. Lunchbox is ready to pack. Once the noodles temperature is down, then close the tiffin. Orange juice is good to pair with fried noodles. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.